One, go!
Welcome to the lower bracket semifinals. These are the last two teams who can go and contest against Alliance C2 for a spot in the final. And we already see the Red Alliance is taking once again, Stevie Valley and Chromium Robotics on our field. And we already see them scoring, I believe, counted that was 5 artifacts they scored in the assignment period. Blue Alliance has not scored any, but they got a lead. And for one of the most important matches you're going to see, because they're fighting for a spot in the lower bracket final. As we already see all 4 robots moving, all 4 robots going crazy with their shooting. There we go, they 3 for 3. Good job there for the Blue Alliance. And the Blue Alliance is still scoring. It looks like they've woken up from their little skip that they took in the assignment period. And they're going absolutely crazy with the scoring. They've almost pulled up their last fire rifle round the Blue Alliance side, and they just cleared it right now. Still not the red. Minute 25 left on the clock, and the score is still very close. Slight advantage to the Red Alliance. Stevie Valley lining up. Their alliance partner, Chromium Robotics, also lining up. And it looks like some defense happening between CP282 and 22124. CP224 now shooting for the Blue Alliance. And both Red Alliance going back shooting for red. There's now 6 artifacts in their classifier ramp. Make that 9 and 1 overflow, which makes it 10. They open the classifier ramp one more time. Red Alliance is still in the lead. It looks like a sandwich was happening for 92-47. Their alliance partner pushed them slightly out of the way, but at least one of them went in. And we have less than 35 seconds left on the clock. As we get good, I don't know about that one, but they definitely did get 1 artifact. They're going to 2 for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance now playing heavy defense against 6282 and 9247. 20 seconds left on the clock as we approach the end game. And we have 1 robot that's moving around, still trying to play defense. 10 seconds left on the clock. And they're both in their parking zone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is the lower bracket semifinal.
All right, thank you, Jose. I appreciate that. Great job as always. All right, we're going to get the scores calculated, see who's coming out on top, and moving on.
So we can see from this match from first played the lower bracket semifinal. We saw once again the Red Alliance immediately on their game, scoring autonomous, scoring Intelia. Although they did see a little bit of a slowdown at some point. There was a lot of defense being played by 22-124. And unfortunately on the Blue Alliance side, we did have another robot, just like the match previous on this field, that turned off for a bit. So that may or may not be
okay, we are submitting the scores now and getting the thumbs up. Wait for it. All right, we are ready for the scores of that match.